Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before my name is Natasha Putri. In this video, I want to explain this is business ethic. What is business ethic? Let me introduce myself. My name is Natasha Putri with NPM 2341007. I am from the Faculty Economy and Business. Bachelor Management Study Program. On this conference, we would like to explain about business ethic and myself, Natasha Putri, as a moderator and my friend. Okay, and my friend this is Feni Ayu Sartiani, Anindita Mariska, and Bernika Kristi Rahel, and Amanda Putri. This is what it is, business ethic, understanding business ethic. This is company, understanding business ethic. In running a business together with stakeholders, this company must ensure that the relationship between them is always good. The solution to this problem is to apply the principle of business ethic with the company. And business ethic is everything about the guiding norms from a company in making decisions. By maintaining good relationship, the relation between the company and stakeholders through the implementation of ethical principles, the business potential to develop is also increasingly guaranteed. Okay, and next video. The next explanation is from my friend Anindita. Thank you.
Understanding business ethic theory according to expert. Understanding business ethic theory according to expert, and as additional reference, here are a number of definitions of business ethics theory according to expert that you can study. Joseph Huss, business ethics is the application of moral in the economic field, especially the business industry. Muslich, according to him, ethics in the business world is a person's knowledge about the ideal way to manage a business based on general moral number. Health and Janus, asset is business is a profession for every leader as a consideration for strategy and morally based decision making. Business ethics theory. Business ethics theory. In general, this theory talk about good business behavior and in accordance with normal. However, there are four major theories that are also studied in this compact. Read more about the explanation of the four ethical theories in business below. Business ethics theory. 1. Primary theory. The first theory is about the importance of looking at how someone behaves. A person's good behavior or attitude will create a morally good disposition and character as well.
Business ethic theory. To right theory. Like discussion of ethics in general, right theory talks about something that an individual deserves and must obtain. So if seen from a business perspective, all decisions taken by the company must not fall someone. 3. Deontological theory. Deontological theory in business ethics emphasizes a person's obligation to behave in accordance with the responsibility given. For example, if you work in a company and are taken with handing product market according to deontological theory in business ethics, you must gain both and carry out is the well. Or teleological theory. The word theology comes from the Greek word telos, which means goal or end. This theory considers an ethical business to be one that success in creating a good balance towards the final goal. So in the words, this theory is based on the concept of goodness.
Principle of business. Principles of business ethics apart from the major theory. There are ethical principles that must be implemented during implementation. Fulfilling has summarized a number of principles following point. 1. Autonomy. As we know, business person compete in making decisions must be a good. The principle of the autonomy viewers and complex authority of company. The fashion mission that are private have good impact worker, yes, company stakeholder. 2. Equilibrium. In connection with the autonomy of business actor and the relation tech must also be balanced. Other words, the company must not be set discarding something, for example, paying wages according to the employment contract and work contribution.
Example of a business ethic. Example of business ethic case: to keep your business running well. Of course, applying the principle of business ethic is very important because that small habits can be an effort to avoid legal traps in running a business. As an illustration, here are several examples of cases of business ethic violation in company. Factor affecting business ethic. Factor affecting business ethic, seeing the many ethical violations that occur between company and stakeholders gives rise to the assumption that there are things that influence business ethic. Here are some of them. Pressure that comes from competition, economic condition, operational error, individual knowledge of ethics, market demand that does not match the company capability. Conclusion: Business ethic is a teaching to distinguish between wrong and right in order to provide guidance to every company leader when considering making strategic decisions related to complex moral issues. That's all we can say about this material. We end it as Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.